This video will briefly review how to use the Define Multiplets pop-up to define a multiplet with a simple splitting pattern. To begin, I have a spectrum that has been previously processed in Process It and then stored in a database. To launch the Define Multiplets pop-up, choose NMR Tools, Define Multiplets. Now, I've previously saved about half of the multiplets already processed to the record. I'm going to zoom in on the multiplets around 4 ppm, which are not currently defined. Here, we have two separate sets of triplets that need to be grouped into multiplets. To group these into multiplets, begin by choosing their peaks. You can either click directly on the peak boxes or choose the corresponding rows in the Define Multiplets table. If you are clicking on the rows, hold Control on your keyboard. I've held Control on my keyboard and selected the 3 peaks that I want to group into a multiplet. Now I choose Group Peaks into Multiplet to confirm. You'll see that the software has identified my splitting pattern to be a triplet with a coupling constant of 5.28 Hz. I'll repeat for the second triplet. Once again, I've clicked Group Peaks into Multiplet. Now I've successfully defined both multiplets as the simple splitting pattern triplet. I can click Save to commit to the record.